In this video, we will discuss about binary addition and subtraction method. Binary consists of strings of zeros and ones. Addition, or we can say adding. Adding means put together. What is in by subtracting or subtraction means you are going to take away. So before going to learn about binary addition and subtraction, we have to know the conversion. That means you are going to convert the decimal value to binary value as well as binary to decimal value. Then only we can go for the binary addition and subtraction method. Decimal has the base value 10 and binary has the base value 2. What it means? Decimal consists of 10 numbers, ranges from 0 to 9. Binary consists of 2 numbers. The values are zeros and 1. So now we are trying to convert the decimal number 17 into binary. Further, we have to use the method L division by 2 method. So now we are going to divide the 17 by 2. So what about this? 2 8s are 16, the remainder is 1. Now we are going to divide 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8, the remainder is 0. 4 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 0. 2 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 0. Now we are going to stop the division process because the number, that means that 1 is less than 2. That's why we are going to stop the division process and you are going to start writing the result from bottom to top. So what about the bottommost digit is nothing but 1. Okay. So you are going to write the result 1 0 0 0 1. This is nothing but your binary number for the given decimal number 17. Now we are going to represent this result in 32-bit means just we are going to add the zeros in the beginning. So in the resultant we have 5 digits means we are going to add the 27 zeros in the beginning in order to make the 32-bit in length. Next, we are going to convert the binary to decimal conversion. So now the given digits are binary 1 000 1. So for that you are going to use the power operations. As we all know, binary has the base value 2, decimal has the base value 10. So that's why we are going to use the 2 power operation. Okay. So here what about the LSB? LSB should be in right hand. M must be in left hand. Okay. So here this one is nothing but LSB. This one is nothing but MSB. So now you are going to multiply the 2 power 0 with LSB. So what about the LSB? LSB is nothing but your right hand. So 1 is multiplied with 2 power 0. The next digit is multiplied with 2 power 1. The next digit is multiplied with 2 power 2. The next digit is multiplied by 2 power 3. And next digit is multiplied with 2 power 4. So now we know very well 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. As we all know, 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. But what about the digit present in the input is nothing but 0. So 0 into anything is nothing but 0. 0 into anything, 0. 0 into anything, 0. Last digit is nothing but 1. Okay. So 1 into 2 power 4. What about the 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. 1 into 16 is nothing but 16. Now we are going to add all the values present in the last row. It is nothing but 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So now we get the result 17. This is nothing but your decimal result. That's why it has the base value 10. Now we are going to learn the tricks about binary addition. It is nothing but, let you assume, here we have 3 operands. What are they? The first one is said to be A, the second one is said to be B, and third one is said to be C. The first operand is 1, the second operand is 0, and third operand is 0. While adding these 3 values, we get the answer as 1. Okay, as we all know. Here, for the second cases, the first value is 1, the second value is 0, and third value is 1. So here, what about the addition of this result is nothing but 2, but it is the decimal. As we all know, how to convert this decimal to binary. So in order to convert the decimal to binary, we have to use the L division by 2 method. So So 2 ones are 2, the remainder is 0. Okay. So what about the binary value for the decimal 2? It is nothing but 1, 0. Okay. So here, what about the third case? The first value is 1, the second value is 1, and third value also 1. Okay, while adding these three values, we get the answer 3 in decimal. Okay. Now again, you are going to convert this decimal to binary, means you are going to apply the division by 2 method. 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 1. Okay. So 1, 1 is nothing but binary representation of the given result 3. Okay. Given value 3. Okay. In this way, we can perform the binary addition. So now you are going to adding 6 and 7. Okay. Both values have the value or have the base is 10. Okay, what it means, it is the decimal value. So 6 is represented by 110. 7 is represented by 111 in the binary form. Okay. Here we are going to use the 32-bit representation, means we are going to add the number of 0 in the beginning. Okay, in order to make the 32-bit. Okay. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 in decimal. In binary, we have the value 10, as we all know. So 0, you are going to write the 0 in the result part and 1 in the carry part. Okay. So here the carry is 1 and the first operand value is 1, second operand value is 1. So we have 3 ones in the addition, means you get the value 3 in decimal. In binary, we get the value double 1. Okay, so you are going to write 1 in the result part and you are going to write the another 1 in the carry part. So while adding 1, 0 and 1, you get the value 1. Okay, so and what about the 0 plus 0? So 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. So in this way, we get the result 30. Okay. Now we are going to subtracting the 6 from 7. So what about the first operand? It is nothing but 7. 7 is represented in the binary form 111. Okay. And 6 is represented by 110. Okay, in binary. So now we are going to subtract. Okay, 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Now we are going to convert this binary to decimal. You get the answer 1 in decimal. So in this way, we can perform the subtraction. Thank you.